So I've been hearing these weird noises and there's nobody back here. I didn't know what was going on, so I wanted to check it out. Well, that's weird. There's a chair just sitting there. Hey, Sunshine, you know anything about this chair?
What's that?
Do you know anything about this chair out here?
What kind of chair is it?
I think it's a Leap or something along those lines. It's a white Leap.
Oh, it's probably a gesture.
Okay. Can we put that back?
Oh, sure.
I've been hearing some weird noises lately and I didn't know anything. And then there's just that chair sitting there.
Really?
Yeah. Just right here.
Where?
What the heck? Yo. That's not funny. The chair's gone.
Really?
It's right there, right in the center.
Huh.
Yeah, that's weird. Huh. Well, we still got to put it back, so let's find it.
All right, sounds great.
Holy crap! Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Sunshine!